Hello, percussion friends. We're going to be going over a warm-up that is perfect for when you just start in band and the band only knows a few notes. You're only doing single strokes. This will help you to get ahead of the game, get a great consistency and flow before you start doing some of your exercises. I always recommend that you stand when you play, but if you're in a situation where you can't, let's talk about your body real quick. If you have to sit down while you play, we don't want to be sitting where the drum is at our chest. We want to position the drum pad so that it's basically we're sitting like we would be standing, where the arms naturally go down to a little bit of a bend. This is too long, so that wouldn't be quite right. And this is too much. We don't want to look like a dinosaur. So find that sweet spot someplace in your home where that's going to work out for you. For us and our purposes, we'll be standing up. So I'll have my drum aligned exactly where I want them to be. For you, if you're standing up, same deal. Make sure you're in a great position so that you can play with good arms. The goal for you today is for you to play these exercises along with me. So at this point, headphones on, plugged in, connected. Let's take a moment and double check our hands. Where do you grip mostly? The fulcrum. If you've got a pair of Vic Firths, the flag, somewhere around there. If you're choking up too high on the stick, this will be a lot harder. If you're choking too far back on the stick, that's going to be hard as well. So right about here, it will be slightly different depending on your types of sticks. Squeeze, hit from here, wrap the fingers. They will make contact to help you do the finger rebounds. All right, let's get to drumming. Okay, here we go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we start up. I like to start up to help you find that great piston motion stroke. Okay, let's do 4 at half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 4 on each hand going at that speed. Here we go again. 5, 6, same thing, ready, go. Right, 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 right. Here's left, 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 left. Now we're going to do 8 on each hand, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to speed that up. 8 on each hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go faster and do 16. Here we go. 1, 2, right hand 16. 1, 5, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here's the other hand. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 5, 9, 13. Ending up. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 6, right hand first. 1, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We can be done at this point. That's a good hand warm-up to make sure you're getting great single strokes. Single strokes are the lifeblood. It's what we use as a percussionist. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in doing anything else with warm-ups for drum, check the description for any new exercises that may come out that'll push to the next techniques that you may learn as a drummer.